Today's unboxing. I believe I bought a pillow, and I don't know what's the pillow name. What's the pillow name? It's called yeah, you have to drop things here and there. Bodyluv. Bodyluv. It says to have micro snow, looks like a foam pillow. So I'm supposed to open this. It cost me $50. This is from Korea. I believe anything from Korea is better than from China. Maybe. So I don't know what's this. So maybe a free gift. How many times I dropped that? I think no need already. Yeah. So let me just get this free gift package. More excited about the free gift than the actual pillow, because I know it's a pillow inside, but I don't know what's the free gift. And when I buy the pillow, I didn't read a lot. It says snail moisturized smoothing cream. What's that for? It's for face?
For your face.
Oh yeah, maybe moisturizing. Just for skin. Okay, snail to give elastic and luster on the skin when the skin is short with nutrition. You know, Korean English, yeah, sometimes. So that is for the free gift and for the main item. This is fun. Hey. I will do one for unboxing and one for comparison. And I shouldn't use a screwdriver to open it. Yeah, I can. Anyway, there's no use for the box. It should be just a pillow, right? Anything else? This thing cost me $50. It says to be ergonomic pillow that supports your neck when you sleep, and the angle is perfect. So I bought it because I have problems sleeping well because I have not long necks. Yeah. So let me tear this out and show you guys. Whoa. It's like 100 gram. Is it? That float like a, and very small. Too small. Half the, maybe like 50% of my normal pillow size. It looks like a toy. Is this for my daughter? So where should my head on? My head should be here. This is for the head. This is for the side when you turn side to sleep. Yeah. So maybe I should watch a video on how to use this. So it includes a pillow, like this. Okay. Looks like a washing bag. Washing to throw inside washing machine. Then you will not tumble together with all the other clothes that is somehow very rough on the microfiber cloth for the pillow. So that is considered another free gift. So you do actually have a pillowcase that is the same material as the pillow, microfiber. Feels like dry fit t-shirts. Not sure if I want to sleep on a microfiber if I didn't switch on my aircon, because if you in the hot weather like this, I don't think that I will feel very comfortable. So it includes a cover, a washing bag, and a free gift from I believe the Q10 shop is, the name of the Q10 shop is Let's Marry. I bought from Let's Marry. I will link the site below my video. You can go down and click the link to buy if you want to buy. But this is not a sponsored video. I pay for this because I need a pillow. Okay, so my feel for this is super light. I probably can use it for traveling. If it's good, I'll have to try this out. I compare it to other pillow. If it's good, I can bring it to overseas. Obviously very small and very compact. And there's a video of circulating online saying that if I put an egg in the pillow, then the egg won't break. Yeah, so I see a lot of people testing it, so maybe I should put something else other than the pillow. Something that break easily. No? Nothing better than an egg. Okay, so maybe I'll do some testing on this before I make my next video and compare it to other pillow. So far, the make of the pillow looks pretty neat. The sewing done. There's a bit of rough sewing on the end here. So the good thing, I'm not sure you can see this. Okay, so that is a bit of a rough sewing, but if you have the case on, it shouldn't be much of an issue. Other than that, fair product so far, $50. I'll see whether it's worth it. But this video is just for unboxing. More video will come out for comparison of the pillow. Okay, thank you for watching. Let me press the button.